Hi everyone, I am really excited to tell you about this. I've teamed up with Urban Sketch Course and we have created for you these flip cards packed full of information. Now, obviously, when you're doing the online courses that we've created for you, there's lots of information going out there, loads of stuff that we're telling you about, and there's just no way you can retain all of that in your head. I mean, I can't even remember it myself. But these things are designed to help you. So you take these with you, okay? They're credit card size, they're waterproof, wonderful, wonderful, comfortable lanyard that goes around your neck, and you can flip through them and they will just remind you about all the things that we teach you on the course to do with composition, perspective, use of materials, use of colour. So as you're kind of working through your sketches and you're out and about and you think to yourself, right, what colours does Ian use for this? Or how does he work out his compositions? What materials do I need to take with you? These little guys are perfect because they will just remind you exactly what you need to take. So all the information that we develop for you on these courses are all compressed into these wonderful little flip cards.